This is about 5.5 pounds of chicken thighs, and I removed the skin from the chicken thighs. So you can make your spaghettis with the whole chicken and just chop it up, or chicken breast is up to you. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic salt. That was adobo garlic salt. And I'm gonna add some ranchero sauce. I'm gonna add some achote oil to my pan. It's already been heating up. I'm gonna add about 8 cloves of garlic. I did slice these, they will fall apart in there. I really need a new pan because this pan, you guys know, my lid broke. So I've been using foil all of it. So I just got back from Puerto Rico and I feel like everything's just been on the go. That is about 1/4 of a large onion, and I have red because that's what I had on hand. You can use white, you can add more onion, more garlic, it's up to you. Now we're gonna add our chicken. I'm gonna add all of this achote oil to my pot. My camera was off. I added, in the same bowl that I seasoned the chicken, I added about 1.5 cups of water. So I added that to the pot. So this will start coming to a boil. So far should be 2 cups of water and 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 pieces of chicken. Yeah, 9 pieces of chicken. So let's cover it up and let it cook on medium heat. I set a timer for 20 minutes, so it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of this minced garlic and lemon basil. We're gonna use fettuccine today. I'm using 2 boxes, by the way. I'm using 2 boxes, but you can use 1. This is for 8 people, so I want to make sure I have enough. Make sure that your stove at this point is at a high heat. I'm gonna add about, see, that was 2 cups of water. I just want to make sure. I love you, Lulu. Make sure the noodles are all covered. Excuse me. I'm gonna add about 2 more cups of water. Your pot may be different your pot may be different depending on the size and how much spaghetti noodles you add. So depending on that, just go by the amount of water that you should add. Okay. To that, I'm gonna add a cup of cilantro. I'm gonna allow this to come to a boil before I cover it. It's been like 20 minutes. I'm gonna move the chicken over to the side and then just start taking them apart. Okay, here we go, it's getting there. My stove is at a medium to high heat. I'm gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes more. I'm gonna turn my stove down to medium heat. I'm gonna use some of this Bowen basket, just a traditional sauce. If you have tomato sauce, salsa tomate, in the can, you can use that. This is what I have, and this is what we're gonna use. I don't know. I'm going to add it slowly, giving everything a mix. I'm gonna add some thyme, and I turn my stove down to medium to low heat. A little bit of rosemary, just a little bit. That's it. Oregano. Add garlic powder if you have. I don't, and I just use Italian seasoning and give everything a good mix. And a little bit of sugar. Okay, so now I'm gonna cover it, let it cook for about 20 minutes because I just did taste the pasta, and it's still, I did taste the pasta and it's still al dente. So, yeah, I'm gonna let it cook a little more. So I'm gonna cover it for about 20 minutes. Okay, it's been like about 15 minutes. And this is what we got. All right. I turn my stove off at this point. And I'm gonna sprinkle some Parmesan shaved cheese on the top. and let it melt.
What are you making?
Why are you squeezing my butt? You hit me so hard the cheese fell out of my mouth. All right, so now my stove is off. I'm gonna leave it covered while I make my bread.